Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you from its new time slot of 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I think something like 95% of you are unsubscribed. Anyway, let's get into today's episode. This is the return of Hardee's Big West Burger. The first thing we got to do is make the honey barbecue sauce. So you want to start with a cup of ketchup in a pot. You want to turn on the heat to about roughly medium low. Then you want to add a half a cup of honey. I'm just going to eyeball it here. Then you want to add a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, followed by a teaspoon of onion powder. And then you want a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. And before anything has a chance to really get stuck on the bottom, give this a quick stir. Okay, then you also want to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And, of course, salt and pepper to taste. I'd go a little more heavily on the pepper, because remember, the ketchup has salt in it. And so does the Worcestershire sauce. Or however the hell you pronounce it. And then you basically just want to simmer this over that medium-low to low heat. Slightly simmer it for about 15 minutes. And then pull it off the heat and let it come down to room temperature. Okay, let's make our burgers. Okay, as you can see here, I've got some quarter-pound patties on my grill. And I'm just seasoning them up with a seasoning mix I buy at my local grocery store. Again, you can make a spice mix yourself. Buy one that you like that's pre-made, or just salt and pepper. Be quite generous when you season the burgers, because again, we're going to lose a fantastic amount when we go to flip these. And it did start to rain, so I didn't, you won't see me putting on the cheese, but it's 1 slice of American cheese for each of our quarter-pound patties. Unfortunately, that happens sometimes. And just, give them a nice little season up. Melt that cheese and take them in the house, and we'll be ready for assembly. Oh, wait, first we got to toast up some buns. All right, I've got a griddle, and obviously you can see here I've melted a generous amount of butter on it. Again, you can butter the buns yourself, but I think this gives the best results, or just don't add anything at all. And then just want to put them down like this, give them a couple of minutes to come up to a nice, lovely golden brown. All right, let's get ready for assembly. Okie dokie. As you can see here, I have a lovely golden brown toast on my bun. Now we're going to add our patty, 2 strips of peppered bacon. How you make peppered bacon is basically put a bunch of pepper on bacon, put it in the oven. That's it. Some of that honey barbecue sauce that we made. The second quarter-pound patty. Generous amount of barbecue sauce on the top bun. Two more strips of bacon. And some pickles. Again, if a burger doesn't have pickles, it's probably going to be garbage. And some thinly sliced white onions. And then just pop the top bun on top. And that's that. Hardee's Big West Burger. It's back, and it's done.